Now, before I put my side panels on or do any sort of cable management, I always like to do a test boot. Plug this in, and then I need my HDMI. Now, if I flip this switch, it should all, theoretically, well, it's turned on to start. I confirmed everything was working. Now I gotta work on our cable management. Yes, the monitor is broken. And yes, it still does work. After about $100 in mods and all peripherals and everything else that we need for this build, I say we modernize it a little bit. Our build now features a GTX 970 4GB, an i5 3570, 14 gigabytes of DDR3, a 250 gig SSD, a 450 watt bronze rated power supply, and an Antec gaming case.